Hello students, today I will teach you the cost and work accounting third chapter number 8 cost audit, its legal provisions. Firstly, I will tell you the cost audit meaning. The cost audit represents the verification of a cost account and checking on the adherence of the cost accounting plan. The cost audit ascertain the accuracy of the cost accounting record to ensure that they are comparable with the cost accounting principle, plan, procedure, and objective. Then we will say the scope of a cost audit. The cost audit extends the level of verification and checking of the following areas, in which first is the services utilization of a power, fuel, water, steam, and electricity, and that of material, labor, and other costs like overheads allocated to the service department. Then next one is the wages and salaries, maintenance and employment and attendance of record, overtime and idle time records, allocation of wastage and salary among the various department and those connected with the capital work. The next one is overhead. The overheads like a production, administration, saving and distribution should be allocated on the reasonable basis. The cost auditor ensure a fair and equitable distribution of the overheads between various departments, reconciliation of the cost record within the uh, with that of financial records, overhead rate, recovery rate, and basic for allocation of the cost between fixed and variable. Then next one is depreciation, maintenance of the fixed asset register with quantitative details, situation, method of depreciation in respect of the common asset. Then next one is the production, daily production report summarize for a daily of to the monthly to yearly, and comparison of the past record and budget target including the abnormal losses, work in progress, etc. Then we will teach about the objective of cost audit. We shall discuss the objective of a cost audit under two heads, with general objective and social objective. General objective of cost audit. The general objective of cost audit can be estimated as follows. In which first one is a detection of error and fraud. Next is a verification of the adequacy of the book of account and accounting system. Next is a correct evaluation of the work in progress. Fourth one is a verification of the total cost of each product, process, operation, and job. Verification of intercompany transactions and reasonableness to the prices charged for the intercompany transfer. Then next one is a verification of statistical statement and other record to be submitted to the Directorate General of the Technical Development and a central exercise, so as to see that there are reconciled. The next one is providing assistance to the management by bringing out the deficiency to its notice and hereby avoid the inefficiency use of resources like capital, labor, raw material, etc. Then next one is advising management for the adopting of alternative course of action for preparing the cost plan. Then we will see the social objective of a cost audit. The cost audit has certain well-defined social objectives which are as follow. In which first is the protection of the interest of the investor and other shareholder. Then second is a efficient utilization of resources. Then next one is ensuring quality of functioning of the corporate management. Then next one is overall empowerment of the socio-economical structure. Then next one is social economical structure. Then next one is the social objective of a cost audit, which overall improvement in which socio-economic structure. Thank you.